We've reached level 100 Hive Train.
Oh my god!
We're 6 levels away from the record. What the fuck? This is insane, man.
We have to beat at least 107 probably.
107 would be crazy.
107 would be crazy, yeah. No shit.
Yeah, we're almost 101.
What the fuck are we doing?
Sorry, that was me.
This is insane. This is also all-time viewer count record, I think.
Is it?
Obviously, yeah.
Wait!
I think so.
What the
Yeah.
heck?
Also, I mean, obviously all-time sub record. No shit about that one, but we've got
Yeah.
63,000 subs today, if you're curious.
This subathon is going so damn well. I'm so proud of you.
Me too. I'm proud of
Thank
you,
you,
bro.
5 FPS, and I appreciate that one.
I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
It's okay.
I think the subathon has been super fun, even if I'm only a digital cat.
This is wild.
Push, 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 push.
This is not real.
It is 200 on the timer.
I didn't even notice we've... Oh my god.
Yeah, there's a lot of numbers. I love numbers. I love maps. You okay?
Did we unlock the emote then? Yeah, we did. We got Kappa Infinite. I guess it unlocks when after it ends.
Yeah! It says incoming? I guess it went... Yeah.
Well, chat, we are 5 levels away from what I can only assume is a global Neuro-Sama Twitch emote.
Better be, or scammed. What the fuck?
That'd be sick. I don't know if they made that promise, but that's what happened last time it got broken, right? It'd be pretty cool, right? You know, maybe they don't though. Maybe they don't. You know, let's not set our expectations too. You know, what if they don't? I don't want to.
This is a big deal.
Either way, I mean, yeah, it's... Holy fuck.
What level are we on now?
Oh my god.
I just went up another one.
103?
Wait.
There's no way we're not level 101.
We're past that.
We're
Yeah,
at
we're level
103
103 now.
Come on, Chad. We're pushing. Push. 3, 2, 1. Everyone. Every single sub counts. Every single... it doesn't let me gift anymore. Oh no. Did I use all my money? No way. No,
I'll send you some more, man. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you. So I can gift to you. Infinite money glitch. Gift so I can get Valorant to gift more too.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god! Chad, look at that!
That wasn't even... That took like 2 seconds.
Yeah, I just blinked. What the fuck?
I literally didn't see it go from 100 to 101, 102, 103. It just
Now
happened.
it's 104.
Wait, how is it 100 and... Wait, what?
It's 104, and we're halfway through 104.
Oh my god!
I broke my mouse because I was spamming a gift sub to get us to level 105 faster.
Don't forget about me when you're famous, Vedal.
I think the fad might be over, guys. The fad is over. I can't believe this.
Hey everyone.
Hey. Oh my god.
This was not intentional. We did 104, 105. Chat, we are... As far as I know...
We're on the finish line. We're on the finish line.
Finish line.
We're at the finish line. We're at the fucking finish line, chat. Let's go.
Okay. Hype train record. Level 106. April 1st, 2024. By Pirate Software.
Vedal 987, January 2nd, 2025. Is it first still for you?
Actually. Yeah.
Oh, January 1st. Happy New Year, by the way, guys.
Happy fucking New Year.
Oh my
Happy
god!
fucking New Year. Congrats, chat. We did it, Neuro.
Oh my god! Can we reach 110? Oh my god. Woohoo. Huh?
Even 5 FPS Neuro is celebrating.
I love the 5 FPS Neuro.